Ever wondered which 4K drone is actually worth buying in 2026? Please watch this video until the end because today I'm revealing the top 5 best 4K drones of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which drone offers the best overall performance for your money. Whether you're capturing cinematic aerial videos, travel content, real estate footage, or simply flying for fun, this list has been carefully researched to help you choose the right drone without wasting your money. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Lenovo XT606 MAX. The Lenovo XT606 MAX is a feature-packed, beginner-friendly GPS drone equipped with a 4K camera, advertised 8K photo capability, FPV transmission, GPS positioning, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, and a foldable design for easy transport. Its lightweight construction and intelligent flight functions make it an attractive option for first-time drone pilots. Review highlights. The XT606 MAX offers stable flight, simple controls, and useful safety features that help beginners gain confidence. Its foldable design and GPS-assisted flight make outdoor flying much easier. Pros: 4K camera with high-resolution photo support, GPS positioning, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, foldable design, FPV live video transmission, great for beginners. Number 4. L600 Pro GPS Drone. The L600 Pro features a professional-style foldable design with a 4K HD dual camera system, GPS positioning, brushless motors, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, and intelligent obstacle avoidance. It's designed to provide smooth flights while delivering stable aerial footage for recreational pilots. Review highlights. The L600 Pro performs well for everyday aerial photography and sightseeing. GPS stabilization and brushless motors contribute to smoother flights and improved overall reliability. Pros: 4K HD dual camera system, GPS-assisted flight, brushless motors, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, obstacle avoidance, foldable travel-friendly design. Number 3. The L600 Pro MAX Drone. The L600 Pro MAX upgrades the series with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, GPS navigation, obstacle avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and support for high-resolution 4K video and advertised 8K image capture. The mechanical gimbal helps produce noticeably smoother footage during flight. Review highlights. Compared to many drones in this price range, the L600 Pro MAX delivers improved video stabilization and better flight control. It's a solid option for users looking to create smoother travel videos and aerial content. Pros: 4K video recording, GPS-assisted flight, brushless motors, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, stable aerial footage. Number 2. Xiaomi Mijia 198 MAX. The Xiaomi Mijia 198 MAX is a foldable FPV drone featuring brushless motors, laser obstacle avoidance, GPS-assisted flight, a high-resolution camera system, and real-time image transmission. Its intelligent flight functions are designed to make capturing aerial footage easier for both beginners and intermediate users. Review highlights. The V198 MAX delivers stable flight performance and offers several premium-style features at an affordable price. Brushless motors improve efficiency, while laser obstacle avoidance adds extra confidence during flight. Pros: 4K video capability, brushless motor system, laser obstacle avoidance, GPS-assisted flight, foldable design, smooth FPV transmission. Number 1. Potensic Atom 2 Camera Drone. The Potensic Atom 2 is a premium compact drone weighing under 249 grams, featuring 4K HDR video, 8K photo capture, a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, AI night shot, AI track, vertical shooting mode, and an impressive transmission range of up to 10 kilometers. Its lightweight design allows easier travel while still delivering professional-level imaging features. Review highlights. The Atom 2 stands out with excellent stabilization, impressive image quality, intelligent AI features, and outstanding portability. The 3-axis gimbal produces smooth cinematic footage, while AI tracking and vertical shooting make it ideal for social media creators and travel filmmakers. Pros: 4K HDR video, 8K photo capture, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, under 249 grams lightweight design, AI track and AI night shot, vertical shooting mode, up to 10 kilometers transmission range, excellent portability. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing camera quality, flight stability, intelligent features, portability, transmission range, and overall value, the Potensic Atom 2 camera drone is the best overall 4K drone of 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.